Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've just found me. My name's Chris, I'm really pleased to meet you. Today I'm going to be doing a Glossybox unopening, so if you'd like to see what's in the box, please stay tuned. My Glossybox came yesterday, so here it is. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open it on camera. I don't know what's in it, I haven't even looked to see what's in there, because usually you have a sneaky peek of the next month, but I haven't had it, so here goes. Just have a quick look and you can see it when I do. I do love their boxes, they're so pretty. I'm knocking the camera. Okay, so there we have it. Beautiful, it's pink with the Glossybox, it's black, the black logo. That's the inside. There we go. That's what's in the box, so let's open it. I won't look to see what's in it. So it comes and it's got a seal on. The presentation in the boxes are absolutely beautiful. I did do one last month, but I didn't put it on because I deleted all my videos. Not intentionally, but I deleted them and I couldn't actually get them back, so. Oh, okay. So the first thing I see is from the Body Shop. It's a body butter. A coconut body butter. I love coconuts. Oh wow, that smells divine. That is lovely. I'm already thrilled. So that's the body butter. Oh, I can see what's in, and I've just put my fingers all in that, so let me just wipe that in. Let me just put it into my hands. Oh, it smells lovely. I'll tell you the size of it actually. It's a 50ml body butter. So that's the first thing. Then the next thing is this. It's Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in red. Let's have a look. There we go. Bella Pierre on it. So this is going to be a transfer. Wow, that is red. That's the colour. I'll see how it dries down, and then we'll see if it is as it says, kiss proof, whether it's transferable or not. Then we have a lip plumper, which is good. I suppose it's good to put it on first. It's a lip balm lip plumper. Let's have a look. So that's just a trial size, I think. That's really nice. It smells like something. I know what it smells like. It smells like Grace herbal tablets. It might not be very nice, but it does smell like Grace herbal tablets. So this is from Essence, and this is a fixing spray. You better work fixing spray. So Essence, I think in the UK, is from Wilkinson's. I have got a few things of theirs. I don't know what that smells like. It's just a slight minty smell. That's a 50ml again. And that's a fixing spray. So that's, and then the last thing we've got is, it's called a dew pot, and it's an illuminator. Let's have a little look what colour it is. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a pinky colour. That's the pot. It's a glass pot, I think. No, you can't see because oh, maybe. That's 3.5 grams. It's a nice little pot. I'm still waiting for this lipstick to dry. The red is very pink. It's a very pink toned red. So like I said, we'll see what it's like. While I'm here, I may as well put up a little Primark haul as an added bonus. So the first thing I saw was this beautiful blouse. It's cotton. It's like a brush cotton. It's beautiful, lovely colour. It was on the model. and I think it was on the trending as well, so they've only just come in. These was £12. Now I've had these, this is in an 18, so it can be really oversized, but it feels so beautiful. It's got button up arms, so you can roll them up, and they've got these two deep pockets on the on the chest part. And then maybe to go with it, I bought this. This was £3. It's a crop t-shirt. Now I don't usually wear crop t-shirts. I'm too old for this, but I like the colour, so I intend to put that on with the other and then just tie up the shirt. This was £3. Like I say, they've got quite a few different colours in this British crops, but it's quite thin, but it feels like it's going to be comfy as well. I've not been able to get the khaki green one, which I'm really pleased about. And this was £6. I've had this in a medium. No, I've not. I'm telling lies. I've had it in a large, which is a 14 to 16, but they are super cute. That cowl at the front sits really nice. While we're on the topic of bodysuits, I put this back the last time because I'd spent too much money. But I bought this gingham one. It's just black and white. I'm not sure what fabric it is. The other one is like a silky fabric, probably polyester. This was £6. I bought this bodysuit, just plain ribbed bodysuit, and this was £4. We are starting to get a bit warmer weather now, so it is time for the bodysuits to come out. Then I bought, which I don't usually buy a t-shirt, I bought this Obsessed t-shirt. This one was £4, and I bought this in a large. But I see a lot of slogan t-shirts about, so I thought I'd get in with it and buy one myself. I don't know what I'm obsessed about, but apparently I'm obsessed now. I just bought a sports bra because I'm still going to the gym, so that's just a plain one to go with the leggings I bought last week. And this one's £4. I bought this in a medium, just so it offers more support. And I bought these room sachets in pink peony. They smell beautiful. I don't know, I think you only get one. There was £1.50. They do smell gorgeous though. Nice. And I bought a clean cotton reed diffuser. That was £1. And I bought the candle in the clean cotton, which that's 80p. That's a glass vial it comes in, and then I bought the pink peony in the same as well. That was 80p too. I bought these little hair scrunchies. These was £1. Nice colours. They're not gonna damage your hair. These was in some nice colours. And I also bought the more natural colours as well, because I'm forever forgetting my scrunchies when I go to work. I bought this last time, and I'm just doing a trial on it. It's a brow enhancing serum. It's £2.50. I'm in the middle of trialing it, but I will document each week to see if you can see a difference, and if it does, it does. If it doesn't, well, I won't buy it again. But I'm just documenting it every week to see if there's any difference in my brows. But I'm putting it on my lashes as well. This pack of liquid lips. It's a matte formula. This one's the rose edit. I think they've got a nude edit and another colour, but I picked up the rose edit. I've got this one of them on at the moment. I'm just trialing it out. I've just done a video for a Revolution eyeshadow, and so I did buy some ears as well. I couldn't resist. Can't put them on there because I've got my makeup on and everything, but when you put in your makeup on, they keep all your hair away from your face. These are super soft. They was, I think it was £1.50. Yeah, there was £1.50. You've got to love some bunny ears or some cat ears, but they are super soft as well, and so I'll put those on my next video so you can laugh at me. The last thing I bought was this Mickey Mouse, what I thought was a compact mirror. It's actually an eyeshadow palette. That's what's inside. It was £6, but it's down to £3, so it looks like they're all shimmers, but I'll just put it to my eyeshadow collection and I'll give it a go and show you what it's like. That's the end of my video today. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope I've shown you a few bits that you might be able to get from Primark. If you liked my video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel, that would be fantastic. And if you did like it, give us a like, that would be super as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Love you loads. See ya. Bye.